Hey guys, how you doing? Happy Sunday. Hope everybody had a good weekend. It's Johnny from On the Come Up Trading. Going to be going over some top watches for October 25th, 2021. We'll be looking at Affrm, Netflix, SPY, Square, and Tesla. First, we're going to go over the disclaimer. Anything you see here is not financial advice. Stream is intended for entertainment and informational purposes only. On the Come Up Trading will not be held liable for any actions you take as a result of something you saw or heard here. And with that, we're going to go over Affrm. So Affirm is in all-time high areas. We hit all-time highs within the past week. Um, so if we break over the 160.50 area in here, we'll be looking at 162.50 calls. All targets will be psychological numbers, so we'll be looking at quarter, halves, and three quarters. So 160.75, 161, 161.25, 161.50, and so on and so forth. If we break below the 153.50 area in here, we will be looking to play the 152.50 puts targets of 150.15 area, 147.35, and 145.50. Next up, we have Netflix. So Netflix is also at all-time high areas within the past week. On Friday, it actually hit all-time highs. So if we go above the 665.50 area, in here, we'll be looking at 670 calls. Targets will also be psychological numbers, so we'll be looking at 666, 666.50, and 667. Netflix has a pretty big range, so I'm not going to go with quarter or three-quarter targets. If we break below the 656.02, which we'll just say it's the 656 area, we'll be looking at 655 puts. Targets in the 652 area, 648.70, and 643.40. Next on the list, we have SPY. So if we SPY is also at all-time highs. It's been a great past week for that. If we break above the 454.70 area, we'll be looking at psychological targets as well. So we'll be looking at the 456 calls, targets of 455, 455, 50, and 456. If we break below 452.40, we will be looking at the 451 puts, targets of 451.80, 450.70, and 449.90. Now we have Square. Square has kind of been up and down over the past few months. Um, if we break above 257.80, so if we break above this area here, we will be looking at the 260 calls, targets of 260.35, 263.80, and 267.80. If we break below 251.60 in this area here, we will be looking at a target of 249.35 and 245.35. All these levels are coming from the 1 hour time frame. And Tesla, another all-time high. So Tesla has so much range and has been very bullish over the past week. Lots of price upgrades going on. So above 910s, we'll be looking at the 915 area. I'm just going to target whole dollar numbers because Tesla has a lot of range. So we'll be looking at 911, 912, 913, 914, and so on and so forth. Under the 902.35 area in here, we'll be looking at the 900 puts, targets of 889, 878, and 868. Once again, none of this is financial advice, and anything that you see or hear during this stream is for entertainment informational purposes only. These ideas are for trading intraday options contracts, for scalping them anywhere from 20 to 500%, playing off key support and resistance zones. If you guys like this stream, please hit the like button and share my content. Thank you. Have a good night. See you guys tomorrow morning.